In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix the most common problems with Amazon on your LG Smart TV. There are a lot of potential reasons why you might be experiencing trouble with your Amazon Prime Video app. Let's see if we can fix your problems and get your Amazon Prime app back up and running as quickly as possible. The first one is the easiest one to try, and that's to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you do this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If it fixes it, then great. If not, let's go ahead and go on to the next method. Try deleting the Amazon Prime Video app on your TV. Go to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Amazon app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all of your credentials, but hopefully this will work. If that doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick, Fire TV stick, or an Apple TV 4K and plug that into your TV and use that as your main streaming player. You'll be able to access the Amazon Prime Video app with any of these devices. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and hit subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.